Hey guys, today we're going to make some breakfast Crunchwraps. That's right, breakfast Crunchwraps. It's going to be some tortillas along with some breakfast pork sausage, some bacon, tostada in there, some hash browns, some cheese, and some scrambled eggs. So let me get things ready here and we'll be right back. Alright, we're going to start with what's going to take the longest, and that is hash browns. They didn't have the hash brown patties like they normally do, so we're going to go ahead and use these guys. I threw some oil down. These just going to make them single file, let them sit a little while. I didn't mean to make that a rhyme, but you can use that anytime. Okay, high heat. And I'm also going to throw a little salt and pepper on here once I get them all settled. Alright, good to do the head start. We'll be back to throw some pork sausage and bacon. Alright, next step, get the bacon. And we're just going to go ahead and throw that down over here. So I'm going to turn that heat down to medium. These are browning up nice. Okay, let's start taking some of these things off. Okay, for the eggs, we have 12 eggs from our own chickens, a little bit of milk, salt and pepper, and I have this on low, this on off, this one on low, and this one on low. So everything on low except this one's off. And I just don't want to burn the eggs. I could probably turn this one off too and just have low off, low off. That way it's just a kind of nice flow. And this is where you find out where your griddle is centered or not, leveled. I didn't clean this off at all. Just going with some bacon grease. I love the dirty eggs. Get these guys off. Hey guys, so next step, we're going to take some of these tortillas, these are large tortillas, and put them on here. Put them on the griddle that way. Warms them up, makes it so you can fold them a little better without tearing them. It's going to be good. All right, we've got the griddle at about medium heat. These guys are on there. I'll grab one now. Put them down. And let's start building. So first what I want to do is put a little bit of breakfast sausage. I keep forgetting the name of it. Some hash browns, we're calling them. We're going to go ahead, not that one. Putting a tostada in there. Some cheese. Okay, put some cheese on there. Spread it all around. So we got the sausage, hash browns, some cheese. There's some eggs down. Nice dirty eggs. A couple pieces of bacon. Crispy or soft, however you want it. And now we can start folding it up. Just fold it like a flower. Now this is going to end up being too big because they use that tostada. But I don't care. Push down a little bit. And then try to throw it on the old griddle. Grab the next one. Throw another one on. And do it again. What did we start with before? Sausage. So now I know the tostada is going to be big. Go ahead and spread it out a little bit. You can put more cheese. You can put whatever you want. That's what makes it fun. Tostada. The cheese. Spread that around. Eggs. Bacon. And fold it up. Push it down maybe a little bit first. Then try folding it up. Let's try that. Oh no, this one's not a good one. I think what's wrecking me here is the giant tostada. I mean 3-inch tostadas. So anyway, let me make these. And I'll be right back. Definitely need gloves for this, otherwise you'll be pushing your hands on everybody's food. Alright guys, so they didn't work out as I expected. I've done these before and they did work out. So I'm going to have to look at that other video I did, see what happened. Hey, they're still great, I'm sure. So I made 5 of them. Give you a close-up. Now let's cut into one. I'm going to go ahead, move some around. Cut into this guy. No. He's too good to cut into. I'm going to cut into one of the broken ones. See if we can hear a nice crunch. That's that tostada. Now bring it over so you can see the layers. Woo! And take a quick bite. you what, I don't care what it looks like. It tastes amazing. And I almost didn't put the tostada in there because I was like, does that really want to be in a breakfast thing? But yes, it does. So it's pretty easy. Took a little while, kind of figure out what you wanted to do first. But great meal. Family loves it. Breakfast for dinner, right? If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you're not a subscriber and you like this, please subscribe. We've got a lot of good stuff coming up, and you don't want to miss it. So we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.